Hi all, this is Vinay. I welcome you all in this tutorial. So this tutorial gonna be a Selenium learning with Python script. So before moving to Python part, we need to learn how to install Python exe in your Windows system. So first, it's a prerequisite kind of video. So in this video, I will tell you how to install simple.exe of Python in your Windows system. So here we go. We will go to our browser. In Google, we can search Python download. Here it is a Python official download site. Here, as soon as you will click this link, you will get official download page of Python. It's the latest release, Python 3.7.0. If you scroll down the page, you will get previous release also. You can see here. So I'm downloading 3.4.3 part, guys, because in my system there is update problem. So you can try to download 3.7.0 latest link. If you are getting a problem of some update issue or something, then you can also try this MSI installer of 3.4.3 Python installer. Okay, as soon as you will click this link, it's a simple download. You will get a download option. I already downloaded in my local folder. I will show you. This is my local folder, and I downloaded Python 3.4.3. You need to click this link and simple installer for all users. Python 34 will be in your C system. Simple installation, you will do the next, and at last you will get this Python shell. So it's a sign that you are going to finish the installation. So it's saying collecting PIP, it's a package part of Python. So finish. Now you can go to a C drive, you can check. Yeah, there is Python 3.4, inside there is lib drive, script part, and so many things. So guys, this is all about installing Python 3.4.3 or a latest one in your Windows system. In next video, we will see how we can configure this Python in our Windows system. So thank you for listening.